Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna draw Hello Kitty all dressed up for winter. And here's what she looks like all finished. I hope you're really excited to follow along. We're using our markers to draw and color with, but also our pencil and eraser for the main shape at the very beginning. And remember, the most important thing is to have fun. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. First, let's use our pencil to sketch the main shape for her head. We're gonna draw an oval shape. And the nice part about using our pencil is we could get this shape just the way we want it before we move on to the rest of Hello Kitty. This also gives us the main shape so that we can draw the details with our marker around it. And it's okay if you draw it sketchy with a couple extra lines. If you have too many, you can always erase any of the lines you don't want to keep. But that's all we're using our pencil for. Now let's switch to our marker and we're gonna add all of the cool details. So let's start with her face and we're gonna draw her nose in the middle of this oval, but towards the bottom. So we draw it right about here. And let's also add her eyes and we can draw them really close to the center of going this way through the oval. And we're gonna draw them about here and this size, and then another one over here. When I'm looking at Hello Kitty, I always think that they're the same, her eyes are the same size as their nose. It might be a little different, but the nose is just turned this way. So it's going horizontal and then her eyes are going vertical, but they look like they're the same size to me. And if I ever go too fast or we speed up the video, you can always pause the video for more time. Okay, now let's draw her little whiskers, and we're gonna draw them just coming in from the circle. So let's draw the first one just right above the center, and then we can draw another one and one more down here. And then we can try to match the same place on this side. It's okay if they're a little different. Now to make it really look like Hello Kitty, we need her bow. And this is the nice part about drawing with the pencil first, is so it tells us where we can draw that bow. We're gonna draw it about here in the middle. So I'm gonna draw a big circle for the center of the knot, going over it a couple times just to smooth it out. And then we can draw the big puffy part on each side. So we're gonna come out, around, and then back in, and then we can draw the other side too. Okay, then we can draw the inside little wrinkle on both sides. Now let's put our marker off to the side and we can erase the pencil lines going through her bow. Now we can use our marker and trace over the pencil. I went over that a couple more times and made the line thicker to smooth it out. But don't worry about making your drawing look exactly like mine. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. I'm sure your drawings are turning out really cool. Now down here, let's add her fluffy coat around her neck. We're gonna start right next to the whisker and we can draw two bumps coming down, and let's repeat that on the other side too. Then we can also add more bumps going across the bottom and connect to the other side. And then right here, let's add another bow just like this one. So we'll draw the knot first, we'll draw a circle, and then we'll draw the bow on both sides of the knot, and then the little wrinkle inside. Then we can also add a little bump coming into the knot and then also connecting down here. This is where the collar comes together and her coat. Next, let's draw her hat, and we're gonna draw a lot of bumpy lines. So we're gonna start close to her head though, and we'll draw the bumps coming out and getting further away as we come towards the top. We can come over here and do the same thing so that they look similar on both sides. And then as we go over the top, we're gonna get further away. And we could draw a guideline. Maybe that would help too. Let's use our pencil to sketch this line in. So we won't worry about making the bumpy line, but we're gonna give ourselves a guideline. so it gets wider towards the top. And then this will make it easier when we're adding the bumps. So if you're using a pencil the whole time and not using a marker, you could do this first and then use the pencil to draw the bumps and then erase that extra line. So now we can use that guideline and it's going to be a lot easier to add the bumps and make the shape. Next, let's add the ears, and we can draw the little Hello Kitty ears poking out of her hat. That was kind of big. Her ears really aren't that big, especially when she's wearing a hat. But that's okay. We're going to make the other side match too. Now let's draw her body. We're going to draw her coat coming down and out further towards the bottom on both sides. Then we can draw the same fluffy part on the bottom of her coat. So let's draw 2 bumps also. And I'm going to draw on this side, and then we're going to connect them. Then we can draw the bumps coming across over to the other side going this way, and then the same thing going the other way, the bottom. Then for her coat, we can draw another diagonal line coming down, and it's a little off to the side. It's not going right down the middle. And we can add 2 buttons. And then also her feet. Let's draw a little line right down the middle. And then we can draw her foot on this side. Well, let's just draw diagonal lines first. And then we can draw them curving out of the side and into the middle. And then the same thing over here. Then we can draw her arms coming down on the side and back in. This is for her sleeves. Same thing to match. And then her little hands sticking out, we'll draw the thumb on both sides. And then we can draw the rest of her hand coming in and connecting to the fluffy part down here. Oh, and also, just like we did for the collar, let's draw the fluffy part coming down. And that's where her coat opens. And we did it. We finished drawing Hello Kitty dressed up for winter, except we still need to color her. This part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. And you can color yours any way you want. You don't have to color it the same as me. Oh, before we fast forward though, let's switch to our eraser and erase any of the pencil lines we can still see. I really like how the thicker line makes the drawing pop off the page. And we did it, we finished coloring Hello Kitty. She turned out awesome. And remember, you can color her any way you want. You can also finish your drawing by adding a background. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.